For each of the following situations, write an equation and hence solve the problem. Showing working is not necessary, and indeed you have the calculator and you can just solve the equation you form on the calculator. So there should be no excuse for going wrong if you get the correct equation. So, the first one says if 7 more than 6 times a certain number is 34. So our certain number, we're going to call that x. So the first thing we need to do to that, it says, is multiply it by 6. And then we want 7 more than that. And that's equal to 34. So 6x plus 7 is 34 is our equation, and we can just solve over here. Solve 6x plus 7 is equal to 34. So that's 4.5. At the rural show, 3 pony rides and 2 camel rides cost 31. So I'm going to say that pony rides are x and camel rides are y. And so that's 3x and 2y is equal to 31. 2 pony rides, so that's 2x, and 1 camel ride is 19. Find the cost of each ride. Now once again I've formed the equations, but I can solve using the simultaneous equation solver. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 31, and 2x plus y is equal to 19. We need to tell it here in this little box that we're solving for x and y. X is 7, y is 5. So we can say that the pony is 7 and the camel is 5. John is 6 years older than Mary. So if we say that his age is J and hers is M, then we can say that J is equal to M plus 6. 3 years ago, John was twice Mary's age. Well, 3 years ago, he was J minus 3, and she was M minus 3. So we can say that J minus 3 was twice M minus 3. And once again, we've got simultaneous equations. So rather than using J and M, I'm going to use X and Y. So X is equal to Y plus 6, and then X minus 3 is equal to twice Y minus 3. And once again we're solving for X and Y. So John is 15, so John is 15. A 36-meter length of timber is to be cut into 2 pieces so that one piece is 6 meters longer than the other piece. Find the length of the cut timber. Well, if this is the timber, let's suppose we cut it here so that the length of this bit is x and this is y. We've got x plus y is equal to 36. That's the overall length. But let's say that x is the longer piece. It's going to be 6 meters longer than y. Once again, we've got simultaneous equations. So we have x plus y is equal to 36, and x equals y plus 6. Solving that for x and y. So So we've got x is equal to 21 meters and y is equal to 15 meters.